Hi guys, my name is Dr. Chris Dover and I'll be your tour guide on our study of the Christian faith this summer. I wanted to make this brief video to introduce you to our class, tell you about the textbooks, and tell you how you can make that grade that you want to make this summer. Let's get to it. First of all, we have 3 required textbooks for our course. The first one is this one, A Search for What Makes Sense. It is by Brian McLaren. We will be covering that in the first half of our time together this summer. The second one is this one, A Search for What is Real, also by Brian McLaren, and we will be covering that in the second half of our time together. Thirdly, you need this book. This is The Christian World by Martin Marty. We will be covering this throughout the course of the semester, but we will not be covering it in class. Please make sure that you have all your books in hand by Tuesday, May the 19th. If you are going to get them from the Tennessee Wesleyan Bookstore, they're already available. If you're going to order, please make sure they are in your hand by that point. So how do you keep that grade that you want? First, there are 18 two-page journal reflections based on your readings from the McLaren books. At the end of each chapter, there is a Your Response section, and I am asking you to use those questions as a template for your journals. I will be the only one who sees those journals, and I will be responding with some observations, some food for thought at the time of grading. If you'd like, you can work ahead on these journals, and you can, as Larry the Cable Guy says, just get her done. Okay? There are also 10 discussion boards based on the McLaren readings. I will be asking you some questions coming from your readings, and in order to get the highest grade, I'm asking you to respond to that question by Wednesday of each week, and then respond to 3 of your peers by the following Sunday. There are also 5 online tests from the Marty book. A study guide is provided for this, and you have 2 weeks to take that test. So it can be taken as many times as you'd like over that time period. Finally, I will be presenting 2 10 to 15 minute online lectures each week, and they'll be related to the history of the Christian faith. And each week on Monday, there will be a weekly quiz on the material covered in those online lectures. Again, a study guide is provided for that, and there are 12 lectures, each worth about 2% of your grade. Our class is up and running on LAMP or Sakai, so I would suggest that you go ahead and print out a copy of the syllabus, all of the assigned materials, and your opportunity to submit things opens on Monday, May the 11th in the morning. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me at cdover@tnwesleyan.edu, and I'm looking forward to our time together this summer.